Hi, this is Rachel, and of course you know you're on Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I want to show you today how to make tartar sauce. That's something that's really simple, and unfortunately a lot of people didn't learn how to make it. So I'm gonna show you how to make that today. So when you have your fish at home, you'll know how to make the tartar sauce just like you have at the restaurant, okay? And please, if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. And please hit the like button if you like it and share the video, okay? Alright, so let's make our tartar sauce, shall we? Great. 1 second. Okay, so what we're going to use for the ingredients is I have some Hellmann's olive oil mayonnaise. You can use whatever mayonnaise you have, okay? Some mustard. We're only going to use a drop of mustard, a drop. Some sweet relish. And some kosher salt, okay? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is put the mayonnaise in. It really doesn't matter how much, it's up to you. I think I'm going to use 3 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons, okay? Alright, and now the mustard. Okay, so we're going to use 1 drop, okay? Let me put this here so you can really see this. Okay, here we go, 1 drop. That's it. And the relish, I'm using a teaspoon now. And I'm using 1 heaping teaspoon of relish. And we'll see if we need some more in a minute. And some salt. Salt is up to you, how much, or little, or none, if you don't want to use it. Okay. And now we're going to mix that up. Okay, I'm going to use another half a teaspoon of relish because when I mixed it, and let me show you, I don't really see a lot of relish. You see? Okay, so I'm going to mix another half of a heaping teaspoon of relish. Just a half of one, okay? Now let's see how that works out. Oh, that looks much better. I can see relish now everywhere. Okay. Now let me taste that. Let me let you get a view first. This is the tartar sauce. Okay. Alright. And I'm going to taste that. Very good. The mustard gives it that little tart flavor that you're looking for. If you don't want to use mustard, you can use vinegar, okay? And you can also, if you want to spice it up, you can put crushed red peppers or cayenne pepper or anything like that, okay? It doesn't have to be just these ingredients, okay? So I wanted to show you this quick video. And I hope you enjoy your day and have some tartar sauce. Why not? Okay? Okay, so let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, I was thinking, how many ways I can introduce fish? Because that's something that, you know, we don't eat that often. And when we do, it's always the same way. So you think about that, and I'm going to think about that, and I'm going to try to make some different fish meals so that you can see that fish can go a long way with a variety. And maybe your kids don't like it when you just fry it, but maybe we can make it in another way that may interest them. Okay? Think about how many ways you can enjoy fish. Okay, and until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.